Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today we are going to be talking about Kurus again. So it's been over a year and a couple months, or almost 2 years, since I got my Kurus, and I did a review on them initially. Go check it out if you haven't already. I will link it down in the description box below. But now that it's been over a year, I wanted to do another review and let you know how they are holding up, especially with them being my go-to shoes, basically. So here are my Kurus. They are looking embarrassingly dirty, sticky, gross because I wear them so much. Today I'm going to show you how well they clean up. It's been a while since I've cleaned my shoes. Before, when I made the first video, I used to clean my shoes like once every month. So I wanted to see how well they will clean up. Otherwise, these are just going to be my yard shoes, which is kind of sad. So to clean my Kurus, what I do, well, with any of my shoes, is I am going to use a dish towel. This is so that my floor doesn't get all gross. Then I'm just using some baby wipes. These ones are fragrance free. There's not going to be anything in here that's going to remove the color of your shoes if you got a pair that has color on them. They're also leather safe because it's mostly water. First thing I'm going to do is take out the shoelaces. I recommend doing that whenever you're cleaning your shoes, because if you don't take out the shoelaces, then you're going to have all of these streaks on the tongue of your shoe. And they won't be like brand new, because where you have the slits for these laces normally gets a lot of dirt caught in them, but they will definitely look a lot better than this. Alright, we're already looking better. This looks really gross. And now I'm going to head over to the next shoe to do the first run through. So already they look a lot better, but I'm going to take you into my second tier of cleaning. But first, what I like to do is take out the inserts. We're going to try two different methods, one on each shoe. One is going to be a mixture with baking soda, water, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. And the other is going to be just the Mr. Clean eraser. Try the eraser first. I've never actually used a Mr. Clean eraser on my shoes. It feels like styrofoam. Okay, so you are supposed to use water on this, so I'm just going to dip it in my thing of water. And hopefully not make that much of a mess. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at this, but I'm also kind of disappointed at the same time. But as you can see, it sheds so much, and it's not like I was pulling on it that much. I don't know if I didn't get it wet enough, but it did definitely work. So the shoe does look a lot better. So I'm gonna go clean my water out because this one is pretty dirty. So we'll be right back. Now we're gonna take some just regular baking soda. And I'm just gonna take my toothbrush. We're gonna get off all of this stuff in about 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes are up, so we're just gonna wipe it off with the baby wipe. I think I like the Mr. Clean better, but I also like the mixture because it looks whiter than the Mr. Clean, so maybe using both is best. I'm gonna try using the Mr. Clean a little bit on this shoe. I am so happy with how these turned out. I no longer have to put them in the yard work pile. They look nice, presentable again, and I'm so happy. Better than I anticipated. There are a few wear and tear spots on the Kuru, so let's get through those right now. First, I mentioned this in the first review. This happened after a couple months. It's wearing down on the leather on the sides of the shoe. I'm not sure what that's from, if it's from putting it on and off. This one is definitely from putting on my shoes without untying them and taking them off without untying them. The back of the shoe like folds in the material and then gets bunched up, and there's no way to fix it. I've tried. It's kind of annoying, but overall I definitely recommend getting a pair of Kurus if you're on the fence about it. If you want to know how I cleaned my shoelaces, go ahead and go to my blog, maddieautumnfaith.com, linked in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye!